Trey Veston here, and ended a long range day, wore out, but I thought for the heck of it, let's see if we can't hit anything at 100 yards with pistols. Glock G23 Gen 4 and the Remington R1 1911 match, and we're not going to use a rest. This is right at 100 yards. Got two little paper plates set up. I'm going to try 5 shots with the most accurate ammo that we've used today, and we'll see if we can't get at least one shot on a plate at 100 yards. We did this at 45 yards, and I think we got like 2 out of 5. So 100 yards, that's a man's distance there with pistols. So we'll see what happens. Okay, approaching the targets. Not walking that far, I'm too fat. Let's see. Oh, I see a couple of hits. Alrighty. Nice. Put the old free HHR in the park. Okay. Okay, Glock was green, 1911. Alrighty. Yeah, we got 2 hits at 100 yards with the Glock. Let's see. That might be one of them. So, alrighty, 1911, the R1. I was aiming pretty much dead center, and one got on there. That might have been another one down there. I don't know. But one hit. So apparently the Glock is better at 100 yard shooting than the 1911 based on his results. But oh well. Trey Veston out. Some more manly man fun in the Northwest. And beautiful day. Oh yeah, and that was with about a 5-10 mile an hour wind. So, but the wind's coming from our back, so that shouldn't have affected it. But anyway, 100 yards offhand, defensive pistols. We got at least a couple hits. Alrighty, Trey Veston out.